Christy, and this is Created by Christy. Today we are going to be making a pom-pom rug. So we need a couple things. We need some yarn. I just got this multicolored because I thought, let's not mess with patterns. Let's do something fun and easy. And then we need this easy grip liner that you can find like in the kitchen section of your Walmart or whatever equivalent, Target, etc. Because this is going to be the base for the rug. So what you're going to do is figure out about how big you want your rug, and then you're going to cut it to that size. And if you want it to be bigger, you can obviously lay this to connect it. You can lay it side by side and then tie it together. But this is gonna work for us for now. So we're just gonna have a little small one. All right. Then you're gonna take your yarn, and I like to use my hands. I tried using a piece of cardboard, but I just find that my hand is a lot easier. So I spread my hand about that wide, and then I just wrap 30 times. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You need one of those little spinner bowls. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, there it goes. 21, 22, 23. Okay, so once I get it to 30, you can do more if you want. That's just my magic number, and I'm staying consistent. So then I'm going to trim that, and then I'm going to trim a piece that's about 12 inches long. 8 to 12, something like that. And then, oh, there we go. So I'm going to move it here so you can see, and then I'm going to grip it in the middle, and then simply taking those long pieces, tie it, hold it tight, and tie it again. So then I have like these long strings. I'm simply going to take my scissors, cut down to get all the loops to where they're fringy, and then so you're going to get your little pom-pom ball like that. And then what we're going to do when we have them all done is we're going to take these long strings, tie them through the middle to create that pom-pom rug look. So I'm just going to make a whole bunch of pom-poms right now, and then we'll go back. Okay, so now once you have all of your balls, your pom-pom balls, what I like to do is just lay it out over the mat so I can kind of see if I have enough or if I have to make more. So once I've done that, move them all out of the way, and then we're going to start tying them to the mat. So you're going to want to take your long strings that you found, and then we're just going to thread them through the holes and then tie them. And we'll do that repeatedly until we have the whole space covered. So obviously this is going to be a little bit of a time-consuming effort. So I'll put it on fast forward so you can see how it all comes out.
Okay, so now that I have all my little pom-poms made and all sewn in, this is the finished product. It's just nice, fun, fluffy little rug. On the back side, I went ahead and trimmed them down so that you don't have a lot of strings there. Halfway through the rug, I realized that it would probably be a whole bunch easier if I had a crochet hook to pull through. So I did the last half of it with that, and that if you start that way, it'll probably speed you up quite a bit. But again, this is our finished product. A nice, fun, fluffy rug. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And remember to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.